So we have already finished the inheritance, the coding part, right? So definitely, in the end, I will talk about the mixture of everything, mixture of inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation. We'll see to that. But as of now, let's just do the theory concept of inheritance, and then that will be the last part of inheritance, right? So first of all, we this is a simple inheritance. Simple inheritance simply means that there is only one parent class and there is only one child class, right? So simple inheritance is like, okay, if I just do this thing, right? Let's just remove both of these. So if you do something like this, right? Let's just consider that this is not there. So this is a very simple inheritance if we talk about, right? Like there is only one parent class, one child class. That's all. That is a simple inheritance, right? Next is your basically multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means there are two or more parents, right? Here they have shown two, but there can be two or more parents as well, and there is only one child, like this. Now there are two parents, right? And there is only one child, which is B. I can also have more, like I can have like class D over here and in D, right? So and I can derive it from this. So this is still your multiple inheritance, right? Multiple. If we talk about multi-level is like, say, C is derived from A, now D is derived from C, and B is derived from D. So this is your hierarchical, right? uh, Sorry, multi-level, that there is like, a sequence born over here, like you have A, then from A, what like if I show over here, there is A, from A you derived C, from C then further D is derived, and from D further B is derived. This is your multi-level because there are different levels over here. Next is hierarchical. Hierarchical is like simple, like you have A, and from A you are deriving C, D, B, right? So from A, multiple branches are there. That is called hierarchical, right? And then is hybrid. Hybrid is combination. Like supposedly there is this is derived from A and C, and B is derived from, let it be anything, A, A, or I can also, this can be derived from B. So if you just make a combination of all inheritances, that is basically your hybrid. So that is the theoretical part for inheritance, and that's all. Thank you so much.